Respectfully, we have taken the clue from the father of the nation's message that India lives in her villages, and unless we cover the poor people, the downtrodden people also, the progress of the nation will not be that fast. Friends, you are aware when LIC was formed, we had before us an eightfold agenda. The first point was to take the message of insurance to the nook and corner of the country. The second was to insure every Indian who is insurable. Who is insurable would normally mean that A, he should be of an age which the insurance company will give through their policies, and B, he should be able to pay for the premium. Large sections of our society can afford to pay the premium, and that is coming through our individual insurance, the normal LIC policy as you and I know it. But there is a section in our society who are below the poverty line or who are just at the poverty line, who cannot afford to pay the type of premium that insurance policies will require. And these policies are generally funded by the governments both at the center and at the state. And Mr. Rautre, my colleague, has explained to you that we have been able to cover so far in Andhra, Telangana and Karnataka about 2 crore such people who have been covered under the various insurance schemes. I am grateful to the governments of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka for their socialist and welfare oriented schemes, which has enabled large sections of the population to be covered under an insurance cover. I would request these governments to continue their good work. Mr. Rautre mentioned about many schemes under discussion with these governments, and we hope that with the support of the various governments' initiatives, we will be able to cover more and more people who cannot afford to pay premium from their savings. As you know, that apart from the insurance cover of risk, providing them risk cover, we also provide the Shiksha Sahayog Yojana, which is equally important because up to 2 children in the family are provided scholarship. And friends, you and I know the importance of education. So through the Shiksha Sahayog Yojana, we are able to provide for a scholarship for the children of those who are insured under this policy. So it is a unique scheme where not only the head of the family is covered, but we also give an opportunity for the children to get their education and hopefully have a better start in life than what could have happened through their parents or earlier. Friends, it is not only about providing them insurance cover, it is also providing them the various benefits of Shikshak Sahayog Yojana. As and when information we get that they are not alive or they have met with an accident, the policy provides for all these covers. The government funds the premium for all these policies. And so if we have been successful so far in India to cover about 2 lakh lives in the states of Telangana, Andhra and Karnataka, I would definitely give full credit to the governments in these states who have taken the message of taking insurance particularly to the people who are below the poverty line. And I hope that in this month, as we declare it in LIC, the Social Security Month, we will be able to have further discussions with the governments and cover more and more people to provide them the cover of insurance and also the Shikshak Sahayog Yojana, which will take care of the education of their children as well.